Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocket day underneath that big beautiful Texas sky. Man, let's see what I got rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking on today. Good news is we're back on the Monte Carlo. Bad news is I think that car's got a bad PCM. I'm waiting to talk to the customer on it. King Dick's riding around all good. Got a carpet drying. Let's see, there Leroy sitting there. We ain't even got a name for that one yet. GG the Corvette. Gotta go Corvette. Anybody want a Corvette? Let me know. Got Jackie over here, filthy as always. All right, let's see what I got going. Oh, and that's for the big long black one. I got a set of heads coming for it. I decided I am not going to put that 6.0 in there. That might go to the car out there, that Monte Carlo that we don't have really a name for yet. Yeah, I don't know, but got a set of heads. The only problem with this engine is it's got one the number 6 cylinder, the rocker arm studs keep pushing out of the head and killing the cylinder. But what I am working on today is the last door for the Monte Carlo. This is the driver's door. I have got it welded in, but I have done no body work to it at all, and you can see no body work at all on that little trench right there where I welded it. Still got to come in here and weld right here. Got a little touch up on a weld there. Got some Cleco holes that need to be welded up. Little one right there. A couple that I might come in there and weld up to fill that up. Got to get this corner done right here. Got to come in here and weld the tip of this and grind it around. Same thing with this one over here, but I still haven't folded the front edge yet, so that's got to happen today. And then I'm going to start doing a little body work. I'll probably start with a little bit of this short strand right there, and might even put a tape line on that because I don't need that to come out very far. Just need it to fill the little void. Yeah, there's a little bitty pinhole right there. Gonna have to get through that. You see that little light right there? So yeah, so I got a few little spots I got to come back and finish welding while I got Sparky sitting there. But this is the passenger door, and I'm gonna say that that's pretty much in final primer. It took a lot of body work, and there is still a little spot right down there. Yeah, my finger's all messed up. 2 of them. Think too much brake clean in my life. I get near it and it starts eating me out. One of these days I'm gonna get to stop being around brake clean. But I got a little spot right here that I need to fix back up. But I think that this one is pretty much ready to go. At least, man, if there's anything down here that ain't perfect or whatever, I think there's a little ding right around here that I gotta get into. But yeah, that one should sand right on out and be rocking and rolling, at least for the color I'm gonna put on this car, which is satin black. I am not going shiny black. That's a whole lot of shiny black car to keep clean. And if I painted this car shiny black, I got no place to keep it inside. And I don't really like washing cars. I like making them shiny. Keeping them shiny is not my thing. That's somebody, I need a Sam. I need a Mr. Sam is what I need, because Jackie is always filthy. All right, guys, well, that's what I'm doing today. I'm getting back to rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking over here on this Monte Carlo SS. Talk to y'all next time.